So here we have the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see we have those black alloy wheels, black side skirts, and also that black spoiler, as you can see. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, first of all, we have the fuel gauge, then the speedometer, rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 41,832. You can change information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control, speed limiter, phone and stereo controls, the plus and minus pedals so you can change up and down the gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do that. And then over into the center, the main screen for the car. So firstly, the movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. You can do everything from here. It rotates, it pushes down, it moves up, down, left and right as well. You can get back to your main menu from there. Should you wish to, whenever you wish to, or you can use the touchscreen, as you can see. Over on the far left-hand side of the menu, we have your radio and media. So DAB, FM and AM radio. You can see there the different ways in which you can listen to music, including Bluetooth audio and USB inputs. Bluetooth audio can only be used once you pair your phone, which is done under the communication heading. We have, of course, got satellite navigation as well. This is BMW's professional nav, so it's the extra wide screen. Really nice, easy system to use. And you've got a few other options at the end here, including your trip computer information. Below that, we have our hazard warning, deadlocks, the main volume for the stereo, as well as the CD player, and then dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in for both driver and passenger. Air conditioning is on at the minute. That's off. Back on. Or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. Press auto again to override that. We've got a heated passenger seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same just here for the driver's side as well. Below that, 2 cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then these different driving aids here, so you can turn the rear parking sensors on and off from here, the traction control on and off, and you can change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the vehicle into sport mode, sport plus, comfort, which is your everyday driving, and eco pro as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.